To remove the fabrics from the NextFit Sport convertible car seat for cleaning, start by unbuckling the harness and removing the shoulder pads. Next, locate the tab on the crotch strap pad and push it through to the other side of the harness buckle. Then, pull it out the rest of the way to remove the crotch strap pad. Loosen the harness and adjust the headrest to its highest position. Undo both snaps, unhook the elastic straps, and carefully pull the headrest fabric up and away from the shell. To remove the seat pad, first, unsnap each side of the backrest panel and lower the headrest. Thread the crotch buckle through the seat pad. Unhook both hook and loop straps on the inside of the seat shell and pull the straps and padding out from both sides. Next, pull the padding away from the harness release button and pull forward to reveal the seat bottom. Now, carefully pull the rest of the seat pad away from the NextFit. Fabrics can be hand-washed using mild soap and water, or machine washed in cold water on delicate cycle using mild detergent. Hang to dry. To replace the fabrics, put the seat pad back onto the NextFit. Secure around the harness release button and feed the crotch strap through the correct slot. Thread the hook and loop straps through the slots on the side and begin to work the fabric into the shell. Reattach the straps on both sides. Pull the shoulder straps and waist belt out from behind the fabric and snap the backrest panel back in place. Be sure to tuck the pad into the groove around the seat. Next, raise the headrest and replace the headrest fabric. Securing both elastic straps and snaps. Finally, reattach the crotch strap pad. Pull the harness straps out and attach the shoulder pads.